Zeros. First. Second. Service. Great talk, Jason. Yeah, that's on you. Nope. Say the joke. Oh, there it is. Say it in the mic.
Double fall season.
Hey, good defense.
Jumpy. Second.
That's spike ball, baby.
Do it. Finish it.
Yes. Nope.
Yes. Yes. Halfway. 1 second. Oh, boo.
Yeah, that's. No. Twos. First. You. Come on, Jason. Nope. 3-2. 3-2. 3-2 low. Second game. 3-2. First. Oh, yeah, baby. Skimmed off the rim. Second. Service. Oh. Good looks. 5-2. First. You're right. 4-2. First. You, Jason, come on. That's fine. That's fine. 4-3. Good looks. We're fine there. Oh.
Yeah.
Great flick.
5-3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, service. Oh.
Ball behind you.
So these I've named. So I'm just PSR on these. My other ones are called Jason balls. So my homage to my other Jason balls. This is 5-3 second. Yes. Service.
Nope. Good looks.
I forget I have a left hand sometimes. It's important, man. Oh, right. 6. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. What the fuck? Second.
You're good. You're good. 4-6.
I'll have the hip mobility next.
Hmm?
All right, 4-6.
All right, come on, big hold.
Oh, 4-6 second. Back. No, back.
You come on. Ooh, good hits. 7-4. First. What? 8-4. First. That's the reverse trash. Second. Serve. Oh, I'm bad.
What happened there?
I just it just hit this part of the hand. My fingy hurts. Are you okay? Oh, okay, cool. Get back, get back. Oh, come on. Oh, thank God.
That's silly.
Good rally, guys. 9-5.
Sure. 9-5. Sure.
That would have been so clean if it hit the net. Yeah. Great hit. 10-5. Big rotate.
10-5. No.
Good call. Good call.
10-5. Second.
Good looks.
That's so free. You can bounce that over your head a mile away. Oh my lord. 11-5. Service. 5. Second. No. I put on.
We're good.
6-11. It's a long time since I missed the ball.
All right, big hold. Big hold.
6-11. Yeah. 6-11. Oh, it should be. Yeah. Oh wait.
Yeah, 6-11. That's Gabe.
6-11 first.
Yes. No.
Good call. 6-11 second.
Yes.
Sorry, I faked out one.
No, that's on me.
Well, I faked you out and I gave it back.
Because he put his body there, and I was like, I'll just roll it into it. And dumb strategy.
7-11 first. 7-11 first. Yeah. 7-11 second. Yeah.
Good serve.
No help. Now. Alright. I'm sorry, but I saw that one. 8-11 first.
Yes.
I know it's just.
Nope. Thanks, Jason. Yes.
Holy. Where are we at?
2-8. I'm sorry. It's it's tough out here, dude. Dude, inflation, man.
Who do you record for? Do you post it?
No, this is all Jason. I'm just the model today. Jason's the artist.
And then it's next to the phone?
Yeah, apparently.
And then what do you do with the film, do you watch it anywhere? Or just... yeah, I'll make a highlight of the rest of the day. And all that. Post them on YouTube and stuff too.
Everyone ready? 12-8. First. Was that clean? Was that above his shoulders? Second. Service. What if I got lower? What would the world look like? I'm all over that.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, horrible set to you. My bad.
One option. It's the theme for today. All right, 3-9.
Yes. Hey, ball help, ball help.
Well, how great on defense, Ryan. It's just finishing. It's not pretty good.
Oh, great spin on that.
3-9. Yep, second. Go.
You're good.
10-3 first.
Yes. Oh, I stink. Good looks. Oh, this one?
Help me. 7-13 first? No. Okay.
Wasn't there a net kick there?
Oh my god. Come on.
Good looks. Hey, good layout, Gabe.
No, I slid.
Oh, I mean,
Good something. Lost my track.
4-1. First. Nope, rim. Thank you. 5-1. First.
Oh.
Second. Service. Oh, I got second. I didn't see it.
Dude, what am
Good
I
looks.
doing? That's such a good... Inexcusable. That was a great art. Time you absolutely shattered my ankle. Dude, that's great. You couldn't have done anything
It felt like a great set.
It was a great set.
2-5.
I think it was doing too good. I was like, wait, something? No, hold, no. And I just moved it.
2-5.
2-5.
Nice cut. That's the joke. Great flick, Jason. Come on.
6-2.
They're playing.
Second.
Hey, we're good. Check it off. Let's finish strong. 3-6. Yes. Nope. Yes.
I think I gotta go with that.
I can make lefties work if I have some time to think about them. I like short sets except with lefties, but if it's like from a really far place away, coming fast, it's hard for me.
Or you could also, if you were serving that one, like where you were, you can come up and come around the net. That way
100%. 100%.
But, I mean,
7-3. First.
nice.
You, come on, get there, get there. No, rim.
I could have just banged that.
Yeah, 100%.
No, I'm not going to make everyone running.
No, that was the bar. 8-3. First. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Give me time. Give me time. Oh, I got you. I got you. No. I suck. Good game, guys. That was fun. Yeah, it's 8-4 now. No, I served him. Yeah, I did serve you. It was 8-3. Good luck. Yes. Nope. Yes. Oh my God. Ooh. No, bar. And that touch.
Couple things.
9-4. That's cute.
9-4. Oh, I kicked the net. What the heck? That's just defense.
Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yes, Jason. That was clean. Do you disagree?
I do, but I don't know for sure.
What do you think it was?
I think it bounced off our rim.
Oh, I didn't think that at all. If anything, I thought it was the first rim. But we disagree, so that's a redo. That was fucking bullshit. Oh my God, this guy. He's been making these calls all game. History will never know.
5-9? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Good looks, Jason.
Exact same thing.
Game 5. That's a rotate. Game 5. First. Watch it too. Oh my God. Hey, great defense, Jason. I love the way you stood there. I feel like I remember someone saying not server wraps, but I don't remember. Someone might have. Some Premier player somewhere. Yes. Jason, get back, get back, get back. No, okay, good game. Guys, really fun series. Good game.